So good gains today, up 700 in the 50K portfolio, up 2,700 in the 200K portfolio, and we were as high as $10,000 up on the month on the 200K portfolio. We were right around break even on Friday, around plus 650, and bouncing back here a little bit. Plus 3350 is what I'm showing, plus 443.75 on the 50K, and so it's been a tricky market, very wobbly, choppy type of market. As we go into FOMC on Friday, we said we anticipate higher prices coming into Monday, or as Monday progresses, we anticipate higher prices. I thought the market might move a little higher than it did today, but I anticipate it to continue to move higher. The fundamentals to me are long-term bearish, but so fundamentals are bearish. Market sentiment is bearish. Those that are normally bullish seem bearish, which if market sentiment is bearish, the contrarian is up. The liquidity, just the difficulty in shorting this market is bullish because, you know, all this price action since the CPI last week, intraday it's almost easier to go long. And so it's easier to go long when the market is down. It could be a bottoming process, and the next move could be higher. We said this on Friday, moved up a little bit today after a gap down. There's a pretty big stop run. We had nice gains up here at the highs, and this stop run took out a lot of trades and turned us negative, and then the market turned around again, and we went positive and back up for the day. And so, you know, the technicals to me, the tape, the way the market moves intraday, the price action just looks like it wants to rally hard right here in spite of bearish fundamentals. We have FOMC on Wednesday, and it just feels like a market that's about to burst higher. We'll see. We're trading our systems. We're not making trades based on what we feel, but I just like to anticipate certain moves and you know, go from there. Sometimes it turns into a trading strategy when you anticipate certain moves and talk about price action, and so that's why I do this. But just a lot of those that are normally bullish seem bearish, and we know that market sentiment can be contrarian. So market sentiment would say higher prices, price action, technicals would say higher prices, and FOMC on Wednesday. If FOMC gives the market what it expects, market could rally, it could surprise, possibly. We'll see. Will be interesting to see that. Let's look at the trades on the day. For Monday, September the 19th, EVP1 had a long trade going, came back, hit its trailing stop loss here, then hit another long trade into the close and was profitable. I do need to update my live strategies to 1 minute. I'm still on the 60-minute breakout, and so the 1 minute does not have this trade carry over the weekend, and so I exited and I did not take this trade, but I took the next 3 trades, which were 2 winners, 1 loser, and then 1 position still open. So long going into Tuesday's trade. Gap continuation 2019 was profitable. Gap continuation 2022 has a tighter stop. It was stopped out. And tick reversal had 2 profitable trades today after going through last week. It had an equity peak on CPI, and then stop run on Wednesday, stop run on Thursday, stop run on Friday. Finished the week with a small winner, and today it comes in with 2 winners in a row on the long side. And we had not a lot of strategy traded today. Momentum reversal traded in the same direction as the other strategy. Typically, it takes the opposite trade, and so momentum reversal stopped out on that stop run right at the lows. Otherwise, that would have been a nice trade. It was profitable on the S&P though. So on the Nasdaq, we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 strategies traded today. Not a lot of strategies traded, but this strategy ended up being profitable because we did not carry this trade over the weekend. So even though also the 1 minute version is what we traded, and so the 1 minute version was up on the day. So 1, 2, 3, 4 out of 6 strategies were profitable today. And on the S&P, this was interesting. We had 60-minute breakout taking the short side. We were profitable on that trade, and then we tried to short it again, and this strategy can only take long trades if it reverses off of a short trade. And so we reversed to the long side, and that trade was profitable. So 2 for 3 on this one strategy, and then momentum reversal was not stopped out on that stop run on the S&P. So 2 out of 2 strategies on the S&P were up today. So good trading on Monday as we go into the final 2 weeks of September, final 2 weeks of Q3, looking to capture some nice moves. The potential for a strong move higher does exist, and very contrarian move right now. So it could be sharp and it could be big, and so it could be a good profit opportunity to capture some nice trades this week, especially as we go into and potentially after FOMC and into the end of the quarter. So looking forward to that price action coming up the rest of the week. We finished the day with some nice gains, and here are the results as we go into Tuesday's trade. Hey, David Bean here. Welcome to Capstone Trading Systems YouTube page. Be sure to subscribe to join our community of algorithmic traders. We are real money traders. We share our winning streaks, we share our losing streaks, as well as market updates, strategies, and coding tips.